Welcome to Beyond Just Money by Kalkine Media, an independent global media house and investor relations group. Please note that this podcast is for information purposes only. It's not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold the stocks of any company or companies or engage in any investment activity under discussion. Kalkine Media is neither licensed nor qualified to provide investment advice through this platform.
Welcome to Beyond Just Money with Santa, and with me I have Nidhi, who is the head of content of Kalkine Media. And today we will be discussing cryptocurrencies, which is a hot topic these days, and it is getting more and more popular as an alternative for mainstream investment and payments. So welcome to the show again, Nidhi.
Thank you, Samta. Cryptos are indeed a hot topic these days and a very interesting topic to talk about.
Well, Nidhi, so what's your take on cryptocurrencies, and are they legal in the United States?
Well, it's true that the crypto market has gained a lot of attention of late. Cryptocurrency uses blockchain technology, which keeps an online ledger to record all the transactions. The digital currency transactions are encrypted and secured by cryptography to secure, validate, and make it difficult to counterfeit. Hence, people are getting attracted towards it. When it comes to trading crypto in the United States, virtual currencies can be traded in the country, but they do not have legal tender status and are not regulated as yet. In fact, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network views virtual currency as a medium of exchange that operates like a currency in some environments, but does not have all the attributes of real currency. According to the Internal Revenue System website, convertible virtual currencies such as Bitcoin can be digitally traded or exchanged into other currencies. The transactions made with virtual currencies are taxable, just like any other transaction in the country.
And how about the crypto exchanges?
Well, to talk about cryptocurrency exchanges, they facilitate buying, selling, and transferring of cryptos. These exchanges are legal and are regulated in the US. FinCEN views cryptocurrency exchanges as a money transmitter. So exchanges such as Coinbase are registered as money services business with FinCEN. These exchanges comply with the Bank Secrecy Act by verifying customer identities, maintaining currency transaction records, and reporting certain transactions. Some of the popular crypto exchanges available in the US are Coinbase, Binance, BISC, Cash App, Crypto.com, and Gemini.
So Nidhi, what we are curious to know about is that are US companies really accepting cryptos?
Well, yes, some of the US companies are accepting cryptos. Microsoft Corp is one of the first companies to accept payments in Bitcoins, and it has been doing so since 2014. Customers buying Microsoft products and services, including Xbox games, can actually make the payment using Bitcoin at its stores. Then in 2019, AT&T Inc. became the first US mobile carrier to accept payments in cryptocurrency. The company allows its customers to make online bill payments through crypto payment processor BitPay. Meanwhile, Home Depot Inc. has a tie-up with mobile wallet service Flexa to accept Bitcoin. PayPal Holdings, Inc.'s Cash or Cash Plus customers in the US basically trade and pay using cryptos, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. To add to the list, online furniture retailer Overstock.com has teamed up with Coinbase to help its customers pay using Bitcoin. Then Coca-Cola Co.'s Asia Pacific distributor, which is Coca-Cola Amatil, accepts Bitcoin as payment in the Asia Pacific region following its partnership with Centerpay. So that's quite a list.
Well, when we talk about cryptos gathering steam recently, there has been a lot of controversies and concern related to cryptocurrencies. So could you throw some light on that aspect?
So one of the major issues with cryptocurrency that concerns law enforcement agencies worldwide is its anonymous nature, which makes it difficult to track people behind the transactions. The authorities fear this could lead to more criminals using cryptos for illegal activities and, even extortion. Some of the countries, including China, have banned cryptocurrency exchanges and prohibit trading in digital currency. In addition, Tesla's decision to stop accepting Bitcoin has drawn attention towards the energy usage involved in Bitcoin mining and its environmental impact. Recently, the US witnessed two major ransomware attacks. The first one was at Colonial Pipeline, which disrupted fuel supply to East Coast for a week. The second one was at meat producer JBS that impacted its beef processing at the facilities in the US. In both the cases, the cyber attackers demanded ransom in Bitcoin. And in fact, JBS paid 11 million US dollars ransom in Bitcoin, while Colonial Pipeline paid about 4.4 million US dollars in Bitcoin as ransom to these fraudsters. So yes, controversies are plenty. Not just this. This year, people around the world witnessed how volatile cryptocurrencies can be. For instance, take the case of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the most prominent cryptocurrency, which was created in 2009. The digital currency rallied to its all-time high of over 63,000 US dollars in April. However, it lost around half its value within a month following a series of events, which included Tesla CEO Elon Musk's tweets on the coins. Earlier in the year, Musk said Tesla would start accepting Bitcoin, which fueled the virtual currencies rally basically. The rally basically got affected after Musk tweeted that Tesla will not use Bitcoins in payments, citing concerns regarding the use of fossil fuels in its mining and transaction.
Well, while there have been many controversies, I'm sure there must be some positive developments as well, Nidhi.
Of course, there are positive developments too. Recently, El Salvador became the first nation to grant a legal tender status to Bitcoin. The Central American nation's president, Nayib Bukele, said Bitcoin adoption could boost the country's GDP by as much as 25%. El Salvador will collaborate with digital wallet company Strike to set up a domestic financial system using Bitcoin technology. US regulators have also indicated that they would enact more regulations for crypto trading by implementing new rules that would urge banks and exchanges to tighten the KYC, or as you call it, know your customer norms, and AML, which is anti-money laundering regulations. Moreover, the SEC chairman believes that thousands of cryptos traded on exchanges are unregistered, requiring strict regulatory action. Further, many critics have opined that the growth of stable coins like Tether, USD Coin, and DAI would possess significant financial risk, as some of these stable coins are not backed by actual US dollar. Earlier in February 2021, the usage of Tether was banned after it revealed that the currency was backed by short-term loans to commercial entities instead of US dollar reserves. It is expected that the increased stablecoins regulation would pose a threat to the broader crypto markets. So the way forward is not something that can be foreseen, but yes, crypto market is one that will keep capturing headlines for quite some time.
Absolutely, Nidhi. And that being said, thank you so much for discussing trading cryptocurrencies in the United States with our listeners today.
Thank you, Samta. Cryptos is an evergreen topic, and I'm sure we'll keep talking about it even in the future.
Well, on that note, if you want to listen to this interesting podcast again, please log on to our website, that is kalkinemedia.com, or you could also go on our YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get latest notifications on the new videos and the podcasts that are being uploaded. Until we see you next with yet another insightful episode of Beyond Just Money, this is me, Samta, saying goodbye. And as we always say, stay apprised and invest wise with Kalkine.
Our listeners are requested to make their own inquiries about any investments, and Kalkine Media strongly suggest that the listeners seek advice from a financial advisor, stockbroker, or other professional as necessary. Kalkine Media hereby disclaims any and all the liabilities to any listener arising from any use of the information shared or discussed in this podcast. This podcast is available for personal and non-commercial use only.